angular velocity. This is a linear velocity. We have read it. Linear velocity. Rate, change of displacement. Similarly, rate, change of angular displacement. Called angular velocity. It is denoted by omega, and omega is theta 2 theta 1 minus t2 minus t1. It is d theta by dt. Theta 1 angular displacement in time t1, theta 2 angular displacement in time t2. Units SI, theta angle, radian per second, CGS, degree per second. Dimensions theta by t, theta no dimensions, by t only t inverse. So this is what angular velocity. Relation between angular velocity and linear velocity. Relation between angular velocity and linear velocity. This is our question. This is theta. This is radius of circular path. Radius. This is arc. Relation between angular velocity and linear velocity. We know arc upon radius is theta. S by R theta. Arc S, radius R theta. S R theta. Differentiating first with respect to time. ds by dt, r constant outside, d theta by dt. V r ds by dt is v, d theta by dt is omega. Relation angular acceleration. We have read acceleration. What? Rate, change of velocity. So angular acceleration, rate on similar pattern, change instead of velocity, angular velocity, called what? Angular acceleration. It is denoted by alpha and alpha, omega 2, omega 1, T2 minus T1, where omega 1 it is d omega by dt. Similarly, subtract करोगे कोई small angular velocity, small time, omega 1 angular velocity in time t1, omega 2 angular velocity in time t2. Units SI, omega by t. Omega was theta by t. So theta by t square. Theta by t square. CGS. Dimensions. M0, L0, T minus 2. This is angular acceleration. Relation between angular acceleration and linear acceleration. We know arc upon radius is theta. This was arc. This was radius. This was angular displacement theta, or S by R. Theta, SR theta. Number 1, differentiating it with respect to time. ds by d theta. ds by dt, sorry, r constant outside, d theta by dt. Or v r omega differentiating it with respect to time, dv by dt. R is constant, so outside differentiation d dt omega. So A is R alpha, dv by dt is A R alpha. This is relation. Another question. Time period. Time taken to complete one cycle called time period. It is denoted by capital T. Units SI, second, CGS, second. Dimensions. M0, L0T. All are questions related to circular motion. Frequency. Number of cycles per second called frequency. It is denoted by nu, and nu is 1 by t, means reciprocal of time period. According to definition, we have written this thing. Units. Hertz, CGS, SI. Dimensions. M0, L0, T minus 1. Centripetal acceleration. When body is revolving in circle, then acceleration of body towards center of circle called centripetal acceleration. When a body is revolving in circle, then acceleration. Which acceleration? Which is acting towards center. Now our main question, derived expression for centripetal acceleration. This is our question. Let a body is revolving in circle of radius r. Let v1 velocity at A, v2 velocity at B. In time dt. Let a body is revolving in circle of radius small r with constant speed v. Let v1 velocity at A, v2 velocity at B in time dt, and v1 is equal to v2 in magnitude is equal to v. Why they are different? Because of direction. This is v1, this is v2. v1 is velocity at A, v2 is velocity at B, and v1 is that constant speed. जो speed थी उसी के equal है. If it is 10 meter per second, it will also be 10 meter per second in magnitude. Why they are different? Because of direction. D theta is angular displacement in time dt. We know acceleration सर्कल में रिवॉल्व कर रही है तो कौन सा एक्सेलरेशन है? वही सेंट्रीपिटल. दैट इज से A, v2 minus v1 in magnitude by dt. This is number first. Take v1 parallel, change direction, it will be minus v1. Join this, एक सी लेंथ लेंगे ये. This angle is d theta between v1 and v2. So this angle will be also d theta. ये डायरेक्शन दे दी मैंने एक. ये सेम ऑर्डर में है, सेम. Which one? BC and CD, same order. So their resultant will be BD. Why? Triangle. In triangle BCD, BD is what? BC plus CD. Why? Triangle law. Or it is what? V2. What is BC? It is V2. What is CD? Minus V1. Putting in first A, BD dt, or it is magnitude. Second, now triangle, if this is small, this is nearly a straight line. Triangle BCD and triangle OAB are similar. Both sides equal, both sides equal. The angle between them is same, so triangles will be similar. Therefore, BD smaller side by AB smaller side of this triangle. BC larger, CA, CD, OB. तो नो नीड. V2 माइनस V1 क्या आ गया? BD. अब BD की वैल्यू चाहिए, आ गई यहां से. BD BC इंटू AB CA. BC it is magnitude V2. Arc upon radius. AB it is arc. CA it was not CA, it was OA. Again listen. BD AB, BC this, OA this, OB. So it is what? OA. So arc upon radius theta, it is V d theta. V2 is what? It is V. Putting in second, A BD V d theta by dt, or A V omega. This is what? Expression for centripetal acceleration. Also, V R omega, A R omega square, fourth. Also, A omega V by R, V square by R square, so it is V square by R. This was fourth. Fifth, remember this centripetal acceleration V square by R. direction towards center. This is our drive expression for centripetal acceleration. We know definition of acceleration. तो कहीं से ये निकाल लिया, क्या आ गया? BD. अब BD निकाल लिया, triangles are similar. वहां से BD आ गए. A cyclist riding 36 km/h as he approaches a circular turn. Of radius this is radius 100 meter. He applies brakes. So as it is moving in circle, this is centripetal acceleration. Circular path, there should be what? Centripetal acceleration. He retards 1 meter per second square. This is his tangential acceleration. Retards, ये retardation है. So when a body is revolving in circle, there are two accelerations. One is AC, centripetal acceleration. C लगा लिया थोड़ा सा different करने के लिए. Other is what? ये यहाँ perpendicular. It is tangential acceleration. There are two accelerations. A cyclist riding the 36 km/h, 10 meter per second. Radius 100 meter. He applies brakes and retards. So this is direction of centripetal acceleration. This is tangential acceleration. Two accelerations are there. Not one. When body revolving in circle, केवल centripetal acceleration नहीं होता, एक और होता है tangential acceleration. What is magnitude and direction of net acceleration? There are two accelerations, so this will be what? Net acceleration. So first find centripetal acceleration. It is v square by r. V square 10 into 10 by r 100. So centripetal acceleration is 1 meter per second square. Tangential acceleration was -1 meter per second square. Net acceleration is what? AC square 80 square under the root by parallelogram law और by vectors. ये 90 है, तो net क्या होगा? This is what? 1 minus 1 square is also 1. So it is √2 means 1.414 meter per second square. Beta. Let A makes angle beta with AC centripetal 10 beta perpendicular, ये ले जाओ पैरेलल, डायरेक्शन बदल दो, तो this will be what? Perpendicular. This will be what? Base. Perpendicular 1, base 1, so beta comes out to be 45 degree. So this is what? Net acceleration. This is what? Its direction. And another numerical, a flywheel revolving (240 RPM). Find number 1 angular speed, number 2 frequency, number 3 time period. Here revolutions 240, time 60 seconds, revolution per minute, time is this. First, angular speed, it is theta by t. Time is what? 60. Angle, in one revolution the angle is 2 pi. How much revolutions are there? 240. T 60 मिनट. ये क्या कर रहा है? RPM 240 revolution per minute. So it is what? In one the angle is 2 pi. In 240 revolution the angle will be this. It is 2 pi or it is 8 pi radian per second. Second, frequency nu, omega theta by t. T फुल साइकिल का टाइम ले लिया. फुल साइकिल का एंगल क्या होगा? ये ओमेगा 2 पाई 1 बाई टी क्या होता है? न्यू. दिस इज रिलेशन बिटवीन ओमेगा एंड न्यू. ओमेगा थीटा बाई टी. इफ दिस टी इज कैपिटल टी मीन्स टाइम पीरियड, एक चक्कर का टाइम, एक चक्कर का एंगल क्या होगा? 2 पाई. तो 1 बाई टी इज न्यू. सो न्यू ओमेगा बाय 2 पाई ओमेगा 8 पाई. What is this? 2 pi. It is 4 hertz. Third, time period. It is 1 by nu. 1 by 4 watt second. So this is all about what? Kinematics. And the last topic was circular motion, centripetal acceleration,